Hey guys, what is up? In this video we go over the top 2 stocks to buy now. And these 2 stocks are both trading for below $20 a share, which is really cheap. These 2 companies have potential for massive growth and with so much opportunity to come. This video is going to be laid out into 4 parts. 1 is who are these companies, 2 the products, and I'm probably only going to be going over 1 or 2 products because I don't want this video to be too long. 3 their financials, and 4 stock price forecast for these 2 stocks. You are not going to want to miss this, I promise you. Real quick, if you can give this video an early thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and turn on those post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. I would very much appreciate the support so much. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you how or where to invest your money. I'm only here to post my own thoughts and opinions with each stock I do a coverage of. Now let's jump right into the video. The first stock we are talking about is Brightcove, ticker symbol BCOV. Since 2004, Brightcove has been helping customers discover and experience the incredible power of video through its award-winning technology, empowering organizations in more than 70 countries across the globe to touch audiences in bold and innovative ways. Brightcove achieves this by developing technologies one thought impossible, providing customer support without parallel or excuses, and leveraging the expertise and resources of a global infrastructure. Video is the world's most compelling, exciting medium. Brightcove is video that means business. During the recording of this video, Brightcove is trading for $16.10 a share, up 4.38%. And if we take a look at the 6-month chart, we can see that they are up 104%. And they do have a market cap of $640.88 million. Now going over 2 of their many products, Brightcove's Video Cloud delivers your content across every screen your audiences use, with tools for monetization, marketing, live streaming, encoding, analytics, and more. Video Cloud gives you what you need in a single video platform. The second product that we're going over is Brightcove's Beacon, which is an over-the-top media service. Brightcove Beacon helps you grow and retain global audiences with flexible layouts, monetization options, and unmatched reliability, all in one industry-leading solution. With 8 data centers around the world, 500 million views a week, and 99.999% uptime, you can count on Brightcove Beacon to deliver every wink, goal, prayer, or push-up to your audience without ever missing a beat. They do offer flexible subscription, ad-supported, and transactional pay models to maximize your revenue. Brightcove believes this is very important because your content is king and you need to get the most out of it. Now we're here checking out Brightcove's financials, and they're pretty decent overall just for being a growing company. As you can see, the revenue has been increasing each year at a really good rate. Their gross profit as well has been increasing. Their operating income is getting better, as you can see. Now their net income isn't too good, but remember, this is a growing company. Brightcove's balance sheet is okay. You have their current assets at $65 million. Cash on hand is $22 million. Current liabilities is $86 million, which is more than their current assets. So that's kind of, iffy. And this gives them a current ratio of 0.76. Just something to keep in mind. But they do have more cash on hand than total debt. Their total debt is at $17 million. And while I just went over their cash on hand, it is at $22 million. Now we're here looking at the stock price forecast for Brightcove. The 3 analysts offering 12-month price forecast for Brightcove have a median target of $20 with a high estimate of $20 and a low estimate of $18. The median estimate represents a 19.76% increase from the last price of $16.70 a share. Now for analyst recommendations, the current consensus among 3-polled investment analysts is to buy stock in Brightcove. This rating has held steady since November when it was unchanged from a buy rating. For Brightcove, I do see massive high growth potential because content creating is a booming market, and a lot of people nowadays are making content more than ever on many social media platforms. Even people are creating content for their businesses, and they are definitely going to want to reach to as many people as they can, and they have their business known, and they can look to Brightcove for this. Also, this market is expected to grow at a huge rate. The global digital content creation market size was estimated to be $11 billion in 2019 and is expected to reach $38.2 billion by 2030 at a compound annual growth rate of 12% during 2020 and 2030. But overall, Brightcove's future is looking indeed bright, and I will be putting this one in my watch list and possibly getting in real soon. The second stock, which I'm really excited for, is EHang Holdings, ticker symbol EH. EHang is a world's leading autonomous aerial vehicle technology platform company. Their mission is to make safe, autonomous, and eco-friendly air mobility accessible to everyone. EHang provides customers in various industries with AAV products and commercial solutions. Air mobility, including passenger transportation and logistics, smart city management, and aerial media solutions. As a forerunner of cutting-edge AAV technologies and commercial solutions in the global urban air mobility industry, EHang continues to explore the boundaries of the sky to make flying technologies benefit our life in smart cities. For air mobility, the future is now, you guys, and EHang is changing the game with passenger transportation and traveling with their air taxis. Superior to the traditional manned aircraft, the technology design concept of EHang AAV follows three philosophies. Autonomous pilot and cluster control of the Intelligent Command and Control Center. This eco-friendly and intelligent low-altitude passenger-grade autonomous aerial vehicle provides a low-altitude short and medium-haul transportation solution for the future intelligent transportation. Their EHang 216 is 1.77 meters, 5.61 meters wide. Max payload is 220 kilograms, range with max payload is 35 kilometers, and max speed is 130 kilometers per hour. And EHang is making the world an even more better place by using electric power to reduce environmental harm caused by emission. The aircraft can be charged by 220 volts or 380 volts power supply in 1 hour at the fastest. The charging devices can communicate in real time with the aircraft battery management system. Now, since we are speaking of the EHang 216, news just dropped recently that the 216 completed its first Korean flight tour. The tour included flights in, I'm so sorry if I say any of these wrong, in Seoul, Daegu, and Jeju Island, with each stop designed to demonstrate a different use case for the vehicle. The Seoul flight focused on autonomous operations over a densely populated area, while the flight in Daegu delivered a package containing a fire emergency kit and automated external defibrillator materials. The flight from Jeju Island was aimed at further demonstrating the 216's use for sightseeing operations. And this is what EHang had to say about this. Successful completion of the maiden flight tour may lead to opportunities for future cooperations between EHang and its Korean partners in potential UAM operations. EHang will work with its partners in potential smart city transformations with its leading AAV technologies. Now for logistics, EHang's smart logistics ecosystem uses cloud computing and autonomous aerial vehicles to build the aerial logistics network via air transportation. The accuracy of speed and logistics operation within the region is improved towards the extreme in an effort to formulate the global standard of AAV logistics system in the mode of AAV plus general aviation. The difficulties in delivering goods to urban and rural areas, industrial parks, and islands will be solved, and a more intelligent and convenient shopping environment will thus be created. And within their logistics platform, there will already be pre-programmed routes to complete the pre-programmed tasks. And the labor cost will improve by far with drone delivery. Compared with traditional logistics, the delivery time is saved by 40% to 60%. Scale delivery is expected to reduce costs by 50%. This is all very, very innovative and huge for the logistics industry. Now we're here looking at EHang's financials. We can see on their income statement that their total revenue has been increasing at a great rate each year, as well as their gross profit. And if you can see, their operating income is getting better, which is something we always want to see. Now for their net income, it is getting well steadily. Now moving on to their balance sheet, they have an extremely strong balance sheet, you guys. As you can see, their current assets are at 428 million in Chinese currency. Cash on hand is 329 million. Current liabilities are at 95 million. And this gives them a current ratio of 4.4. And their total debt, you guys, is at 37 million. But remember, their cash on hand is 329 million Chinese currency. It is safe to say that EHang's financials are top tier. Now we're looking at the stock price forecast, and there is major upside. The two analysts offering 12-month price forecasts for EHang Holdings have a median target of $89.73 a share, with a high estimate of $96.76 a share, and a low estimate of $82.70 a share. The median estimate represents a 513.35% increase from the last price of $14.63. This is absolutely insane. Now for analyst recommendations, the current consensus among two polled investment analysts is to buy stock in EHang Holdings. This rating has held steady since February, when it was unchanged from a buy rating. I mean, EHang is completely changing the game The future for air mobility is now, and it is going to grow so huge. What this company is doing will help improve and change for the better how people transportate and how goods are delivered through logistics. And the autonomous aircraft market is expected to grow by far. The global autonomous aircraft market was valued at $3.6 billion in 2018 and is projected to reach $23.7 billion by 2030, growing at a very strong compound annual growth rate of nearly 17.1% between 2018 and 2030. The main factors driving forecast market growth are the reduction in cost and human error due to increased autonomy and advancements in artificial intelligence. Now, in my opinion, this company is destined for huge growth, and I mean major growth. And after doing some individual research for myself, I will be buying into this company and plan to hold for the long term. Well, that brings us towards the ending of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed these top 2 stock picks. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about these 2 stocks. Your thoughts are always appreciated. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications to be notified when I post a video. I appreciate the support from you all so much, and thank you for watching. Till next time, peace.